Draw learning. Today we are going to draw a plane while we learn Spanish. We draw the wing. Now we draw the wheels, that in Spanish is said, RUEDAS. With them, the plane can land. We draw the propellers, that in Spanish is said, HELICES. Let's go with the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is ojos. These are the windows, which in Spanish is VENTANAS. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. We painted their eyes black. Black in Spanish is NEGRO. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say wing in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with the yellow color, that in Spanish is said, AMARILLO. Come on guys, it's looking very good. Now we use red, that in Spanish is said, ROJO. Now we use the gray color, that is said, GRIS. Now we use the brown, which in Spanish is MARRON. Let's see if you know the answer. Wing in Spanish is ala. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.